Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming access, sign into your institution, or enable VPN for paywalled content. Next, open Scholar. Google. Com and check settings for library links and language so you see full text options. Prepare your search inputs, primary keywords, alternative terms, author names, and a year range to narrow results. Doing these prep steps saves time and reduces noise. Once done, you're ready to enter a focused query and capture relevant hits. Type a precise query using quotes for exact phrases and use or between synonyms. Include author, last name to target authors. After the initial search, apply the year filter or open advanced search to constrain title, author, or publication. Scan the results for high-relevance snippets and click the star to save. Once you identify a promising paper, use Cited By to follow influence and related articles to find similar work. Open the PDF or HTML link on the right. If behind a paywall, use your library link, institutional login, or request via interlibrary loan. Export citation using the quote icon to BibTX or EndNote. Download or save to your reference manager. If you can't find a known paper, expand synonyms, search the journal site, clear cookies, or toggle VPN. Often access and query phrasing are the issues. If problems persist, contact your library for direct access support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.